Okay, we're going to do a quick tutorial on Venn diagrams. First one we're looking at, we have football, baseball, and soccer, and the number of people that like to play each one of them. Number one says, what is the probability a student is selected that likes to play baseball and soccer? So first off, we're looking at the probability of baseball and soccer. For baseball and soccer, whenever it's that and statement, you're looking for where they overlap. They have to be in both of these at the same time. The and statement is extremely restrictive. They have to be in both of those. So if I'm looking at baseball and soccer, I'm looking at where this circle here and this circle here overlap each other, where they're on top of each other. That is in right here, the 9 and the 17. 9 is in both baseball and soccer at the same time. 17 is in both baseball and soccer at the same time. It doesn't matter that the 9 is a part of the football. It's in both of those, so it counts. So as far as the probability of baseball and soccer, 9 plus 17 would be 26 out of the total of 177 students. The 177 comes from adding up all of the numbers in here, all the students there. Okay, so there was number one. Number two, what is the probability a student is selected that likes to play baseball or soccer? So now I'm looking at the probability of baseball or soccer. Okay? The difference here is now we're looking at an or versus an and. Whereas an and is extremely restrictive, an or is unrestricted. That means for the or, they can be in baseball, they can be in soccer, or they can be in both of them. It doesn't matter. As long as they're in at least one of them, they're a part of that union. So we're looking at everybody in baseball and everybody in soccer, all of them added together. So we're going to have the 16 plus 27 plus 9 plus 17 plus 13 plus 36, all added together, and that gives us 75 out of a total of 177 students. Okay? And now, number three. What is the probability a student is selected that likes to play soccer given they like to play baseball? This is what we like to call a given problem. So I'm looking at the probability they like to play soccer given they like to play baseball. Okay, so this one, for the given problems, that's what this vertical line right here means, is the word given. For the given problem, remember, it changes the Venn diagram. It changes the Venn diagram to where the only thing you're looking at is whatever comes after that given. So in this case, we're only looking at baseball. These people right here are the only ones that matter right now. None of the people over here matter at all because they're not inside the baseball. So the way we're going to look at it is we're looking for the people that play soccer that are inside the baseball circle. So the people that play soccer inside the baseball circle are these two sets of people right here, 9 and 17, which again is 26, but now our total is no longer 177. For a given problem, it changes your Venn diagram, which changes your total, because again, the only thing we're looking at is that baseball circle. So our total now is going to come from the 16, the 9, the 17, and the 27, which is a total of 69 students. So our probability there would be 26 out of 29 students. And the last one here, it says, what is the probability a student is selected that does not like to play baseball or soccer? So I'm looking at the probability of not baseball or soccer. Okay, whenever we're looking at a not problem, one of the things I like to say do is do this part first. Identify that. So let me go ahead and clear this up. And we're going to identify the baseball or soccer. Now, kind of like up here for the baseball or soccer, that's everybody in baseball and everybody in soccer. But now, for the not part of it, that means not those people, everybody else. So none of these people are included. everybody else. So these people and these people over here. So 45 and 14, so 59 out of 177. And there's some simple problems on Venn diagrams.